Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. A high pressure has moved over South Africa and that's caused clearer and drier conditions over most of the country, and at this time of the year that always means colder nighttime temperatures, and into the early hours of this morning temperatures were well below zero all across the central and southern interior of the country. In the northeast, on the other hand, a little bit of moisture moved in and that brought some cloud cover, and that increased cloud cover kept things quite cool for the afternoon for Gauteng, Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Heading into tomorrow, not too much changes as the high pressure remains firmly in place. Once again, there'll be some morning fog for some areas in the northeast, but by afternoon, it'll be mostly clear. For the western half of South Africa, you can expect a sunny Sunday and the temperatures are going to be somewhat higher over the Cape provinces, while in the Lowveld, we still expect it to be partly cloudy over that region. Here's your detailed forecast, and for KwaZulu-Natal it's going to be a sunny day after a cold morning over the interior. Won't be too bad in the afternoon. Kokstad 19 degrees after a starting temperature of -4 just before sunrise. Bitterly cold at first for the mountainous areas of the Eastern Cape. Aliwal North drops down to -7 degrees overnight. And we're also going to have a sub-zero start to Sunday for parts of the Western Cape Karoo, while along the south coast temperatures won't be quite as low, but still getting below that 10-degree mark. A lovely afternoon expected for the southwestern Cape, although quite cool at times. We are expecting it to become breezy around the peninsula. Vredendal, on the other hand, very warm at 25 degrees. Uppington climbs to 26 after a minimum of 3 degrees Celsius, and we are going to have temperatures dropping below freezing once again overnight for some areas in the Northern Cape. No surprises for the Free State, frosty at first but warming up quite quickly as we head into the mid-afternoon. And we're going to have a slightly warmer day over parts of the northwest, Mahikeng climbing to 22 degrees with a minimum of 4 degrees expected in your area. For Limpopo, we see partly cloudy weather into the Lowveld where it's going to be a mild day and a little bit of fog expected elsewhere at first, but the afternoon should be mostly clear and dry. Heading into Mpumalanga, and there could be fog as well along the escarpment. eMakazeni still quite cool with a minimum temperature of -1 and climbing to only 17 degrees later on. And finally into Gauteng, increased sunshine helps to push the temperatures into the lower 20s in the mid-afternoon. Let's look at your wind forecast, where we see most areas averaging between 5 and 15 kilometers per hour, but some places including Bethlehem, De Aar as well as Port Elizabeth and Cape Town will be somewhat windier at 20 kilometers per hour. On Monday, most parts of South Africa will be dry, although Richards Bay could have a couple of passing light showers. Things warming up quite a bit for the Western Cape. Cape Town and George both get to 23 degrees. And on Tuesday, an upper air trough will be moving in from the west. That could bring a few showers and thunderstorms to the Cape provinces, while it's going to be sunny and warm for KZN.